Well, hello and welcome to my house. Today I am participating in a beautiful invite. This invite is called the Black Tie Affair Collaboration 2020, hosted by the beautiful Miss STACY, styled by STACY. Now, this is STACY's first collaboration, and there are several things she asked us to do. She asked us to decorate our tablescape in black and white. She asked us to add a place card on your guest table. Also show the menu somewhere on your table. Upload is September 12th at 7 o'clock. Mention the host, the co-host in the video. Include the links in the description box. Include the playlist in the box. Keep the video at least 10 minutes minimum. Please subscribe to all of the ladies' channels. So let me get started showing you what I am doing for my black and white. This is the guest table that you see. Says today is a good day. For all a good day. At the bottom you see my menu that I have, which is walnuts and blue cheese. Homemade peas with almond ravioli and brown butter sauce. A rack of lamb, cucumbers, and asparagus. The dessert is chocolate and salt tarts. So this is my guest table when they come in. They are to come in, have some wine, and then they may socialize, have their wine, then go to the table so they can be served. So let me show you my tablescape. And also, I want to discuss the ladies. Okay, so we have the beautiful host, who is STACY of Styling with STACY. The co-host, Tammy with me, myself, and DIYing it. The glamorous Ellen of Glamorous Ellen. Marilyn of Fabulous Design on a Budget. Candy of DIY Designs by CCW. Shangie of Living Life to its Fullest. Beautiful ladies. These are 5 beautiful ladies that I've known for a while. Through my videos, I want to say go to their channels, check them out. They do beautiful things. They decorate beautiful tablescapes and other challenges that they do. So check them out. So here's my tablescape. So before we eat our food, we always bless the food before us, family beside us, and the love between us. Amen. So let's get started, guys. So this is my beautiful tablescape in black and white. I decided to use black and white with silver and a touch of gold in my glasses. You will see my beautiful centerpiece, which is a large, beautiful champagne glass that I purchased from Ross in the beautiful white roses I found from Burlington's. piece is from Home Goods or Burlington's. So, you see at the end, I have a beautiful dessert area. So at my table, setting, you will see a fork, a knife, and a spoon. A beautiful, beautiful silver mat that I decided to get from Home Goods. Under the bar, then I have a bag charger, a black and white plate, a beautiful black coffee cup, and my beautiful, beautiful napkin ring holder. At the table, you will see that everybody will have a wine glass and a water glass. In front of each place setting will be a place card. And my place cards, I decided to use something that will keep it entertaining. The first one says, "You are beautiful. The second one says, "Lucky." The next one says, "Elegant." And the last one says, "Laugh." Now at each of these, someone will sit down and discuss the word that they have and talk about why you're happy, why it's elegant. So I'm going to show you my tablescape. I want to thank these beautiful ladies, which STACY and the other 5 beautiful, gorgeous ladies, for letting me entertain them today in an open invite of black and white. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video.